guys, good morning. I'm going out today kasi may practice ako and then kasi may gagawin ako. Anyway, before that, of course, I need protection to boost my immune system, my skin, para hindi tayo mukhang stress, guys. So, I'm gonna show you yung mga iniinom ko every morning before I go out. So, dalawa guys, I do have collagen, pero ngayon guys, tinitake ko na siya every night. Pero in the morning guys, ito biotin at ascorbic acid. So, itong biotin guys, ito yung hinihelp yung skin mo, yung hair mo, yung nails, yung pampaganda. And then this one guys, is the ascorbic acid is yung pang-boost ng immune system mo para hindi kayo magkasakit, okay? Since ngayon, nasa Cebu ako guys. Well, I live in Cebu. I live in Cebu and then yung weather dito guys, init, uulan na naman, init, ulan, init, ganyan guys. That's why I take ascorbic acid. So yeah, wait for me, I'll go get what. One thing that I ano ba yun? Basta yung gusto kong gawin nyo guys is drink talaga kayo ng water. Tubig ha, tubig. Let me see. So then guys, I know hindi lahat makagawa nito, pero as possible you rest. Kasi yung body mo need rest din and then para din mag-recharge yung body mo. So yeah, that's it. I'm going out. So this is my outfit. So yeah, bye guys.